I know it's been a long time since I last uploaded. I've been really busy, y'all. So now I'm back. But guys, I have a few different things to taste test today. We have some rice balls. We have pink. We have a little green, and we have white. We have some weird spicy mushroom thingy and some mushroom thingy. We have mango jelly, lychee jelly, honey melon jelly, and we have these chips. So guys, let's just do some ASMR first. So guys, the first thing we're going to taste test is the rice balls. I'm gonna take pink one. Ugh. Who has that goes to cooler? It kind of just tastes like it doesn't really taste like anything, but it's just a weird texture. So let's just get it down drained. Pooh. I'm nasty, y'all. Next thing. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, it was plantain chips. That was very bad. The thing is, banana chips, I'm not really sure, but they're not very good, y'all. 0 out of 10. Next thing, the spicy mushroom things. Let's taste test. Pooh, huh? What is that? That's so weird. I'm not sure if I like it or I don't like it, but I think I don't like it. 5 out of 10. Next thing, y'all, the normal mushrooms. So, don't think it's spicy. So, gonna put some tahini on it. So, there. Very weird. Kind of like the same as the other, but not really. It's fine. So, maybe a 5.5. Next thing, y'all. I think the mango pudding is the one that's most interesting. So that's the one we're going to taste test first. Look, guys. It's all flat. Look, guys, a little piece of mango. That's not very good. Maybe with some tahini on it. That's not very good. This is lychee flavored. Very weird, like taste, I think, but I'm gonna taste it. Holy moly! Holy moly! Holy moly! Look at that giant piece. Pooh. I found this. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna try to taste it. Boo. 3 out of 10, y'all. This is the honey melon flavored. Ooh, that actually smells pretty good. Oh. Put her to there. Guys, I think I'm gonna go sleep.